Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato paste from canned tomatoes. First, select good quality canned whole or crushed tomatoes. Drain them well to remove extra water, which helps reduce cooking time. You will also need a sturdy pot, an immersion blender, and a fine mesh sieve for a smooth result. This process is simpler than you might think. Once your tomatoes are drained, use an immersion blender to achieve a perfectly smooth consistency. Make sure there are no large chunks remaining. Transfer this smooth tomato puree into a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Begin heating it over medium heat, stirring occasionally until it reaches a gentle simmer. This initial cooking starts the reduction process. After simmering, lower the heat to a very low setting. This slow reduction is key to developing deep flavor and the right texture. Stir the mixture frequently, especially as it thickens, to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Continue cooking until it becomes a very thick, concentrated paste, which may take several hours. For an extra smooth paste, press the cooked mixture through a fine mesh sieve. This removes any remaining seeds or skins. Season your homemade tomato paste with a small amount of salt to enhance its flavor. Once cooled, transfer the paste to airtight containers. It can be stored in the refrigerator for about 1 week or frozen for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.